Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would add a phone to your 2013 Ford Fusion. So to add the phone, of course, you're going to go through the menu here, but you can go through the menu and you can do sync phone, and then we hit OK, and it says no paired phone, so we want to hit that, and it says add a Bluetooth device, and we hit OK.
Press OK to begin pairing a device. Search for sync on your device and enter the PIN provided by sync.
Okay. So then you're going to take your device and it's going to scan and so we've got sync right here, the available, so we're just going to hit tap that. Now we've got to put the PIN in that they give us.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion. To use this device for Bluetooth audio, change your source to Bluetooth audio in the media menu.
So now the phone is set, and we've added the phone. And so now you can go ahead and use your phone menu, phone redial, call history. There's of course no history there, but you could also dial a phone number, and then you would just hit enter and you can make phone calls and do what you need to do. You could also use your Bluetooth and send music to your car if you want to take music from your phone through the Bluetooth. So that's how you pair a phone. Now, sometimes you may not want to keep the phone on here, so you would go through the menu button here. So if you want to delete your phone because this isn't your car, you borrowed a buddy's car, you rented a car, the way you would go through the sync media, your phone, then you're going to hit OK. You're in the media menu and you're going to scroll down. It'll say select source, media settings, mobile applications. Go into system settings. We've got our Bluetooth devices. Hit enter on Bluetooth devices. Then we've got the add device, connect Bluetooth. All these, just turn it off. Now we want to delete a device because we want to get rid of our phone, and we're just going to go in there, hit that button, confirm delete, and hit yes. And now our phone is not paired to this vehicle anymore for your safety purposes if it's not your car and you're just borrowing it. But that's how you pair your phone and how you would delete your phone out of the car on your Ford Fusion. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.